In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a WhatsApp account from your device if you are using multiple accounts on one phone. So if you added a second WhatsApp account and now want to remove it, just follow these simple steps carefully. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Now go to Account option. Now tap on Remove Account carefully. Make sure you do not tap on Delete Account because deleting the account can permanently remove your WhatsApp data. Here, carefully check the phone number to make sure you are removing the correct account. Once you confirm the number, tap on Remove Account. After that, a confirmation message will appear. Tap on Remove to complete the process. That's it. The selected WhatsApp account will be removed from your device successfully. This video is useful if you no longer use that number or want to keep only one account on your phone. So that's how you can remove a WhatsApp account easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.